Now, cases of partial fractions. First case, resolution of P of x by Q of x into partial fraction when Q of x has only non-repeated linear factors. This is our first case. We have Q of x equals to x minus a into x minus b and so on into x minus c. Here we must be noted that a is not equal to b and is not equal to c. That is, these constants are different. Therefore, we can write the given fraction P of x by Q of x equals to a1 by x minus a plus a2 by x minus b and so on plus an by x minus c. This is an identity where ai's, I go from 1 to n. These are the numbers to be found. Now let us go to exercise 5.1. I am going to solve first question. Here we have exercise 5.1 and question number 1, which is 1 over x square minus 1. Note that this is an proper fraction. Now this can be written as a by, first of all I can write this one as x minus 1 into x plus 1. It can be further written as a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1. Now multiplying both sides by x minus 1 into x plus 1, we get we have 1 equal to a by x plus 1 plus a into x plus 1 and b into x minus 1. Now taking x equal to 1, this is, let's suppose, our equation number 1. Now put x equal to 1, or take this factor, put x minus 1 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 1 in equation 1. Now that is, I am putting x equal to 1 in this equation. Now let us check see, we have seen that if we put x equal to 1, this term vanishes. 1 minus 1 equals to 0, so this term vanishes. We have only left 1 equal to a 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. That is, a equal to a equals to 1, or we get a equal to 1 by 2. Now next I will take this factor, put x plus 1 equals to 0, which implies that x equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. From here we see that if we put x equal to minus 1, again this term vanishes. We have only left minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 2b. One equals to minus 2b, or which can be written as b equals to minus 1 by 2b. So we find values of a and b. Hence the partial fraction are 1 by 2 x minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 x plus 1. That is, partial fractions are 1 over 2 x minus 1 minus 1 over 2 x plus 1. So student, this is our first case. Inshallah we will discuss next case in the next lesson. Thank you.